Okay, so let's take a look at this last problem. Now, yes, bunnies like cereal. I'm not kidding. And my bunny, named Sparky, well, he likes a mixture of cereal. And this particular mixture contains 2 pounds of Cheerios, well, we're going to say X pounds of Chex and Y pounds of Fruit Loops, in a ratio of 1 to 2 to 3 respectively. In other words, this number here is 2 pounds of Cheerios, and then this number would be Chex and Fruit Loops. Okay, and he also likes Count Chocula and a bunch of others, but I just threw in these are his favorite. Now, you don't want to feed your rabbit cereal all the time. Okay, it's just a treat, or they'll end up with no teeth. Alright, so this is the way this works. I had to throw that in there because I'll probably get a comment or two. Somebody's like, don't be feeding your rabbit cereal. That's bad for your rabbit, a bad rabbit. Okay. Anyway, we had a hint going on here, 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Basically, all this is, now this is extremely useful. I use this in a lot of situations, what we're about to do here. But we can rewrite this 1 to 2 ratio right here, yeah, as 1 over, if I get my pen to work, 1 over 2 is equal to, okay, and what do we got? What are we doing first? I almost forgot. X pounds of Chex. Okay, so X pounds of Chex. Yeah. X pounds of Chex. Burp. Anyway, so we have 2 pounds. Now don't get this 2 mixed up with this 2. Okay, these are completely 2 different things going on here. Alright, but it's a 1 to 2 ratio. A 1 to 2. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Well, anyway, this 1 to 2 ratio, so this is 1 over 2 is equal to, and then take this 2 here, put it here, okay, over X. So we're comparing both these ratios here. We got 2 pounds of Cheerios to X pounds of Chex. And so basically we have an equation here you want to solve for X. So hopefully that you know how to do that. Now remember, there's a quick way. Just flip these fractions. We're trying to solve for X here, and then multiply both sides by 2, and therefore X is equal to 4. Alright, so you'll want to get you'll want to mix 4 pounds of Cheerios. Actually, he likes Honey Nut Cheerios. Honey Nut Cheerios. Alright, so let's now take a look at this other one here. We got 1 to 3. Right, 1 to, did I say 1 to 3? Yeah. That's right. A 1 to 3 ratio. But we're going to do this 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is equal to, and then we're doing 3 over X. 3 over X. That's that 3 over X. Oh, you know what? I may have told you something wrong here. Yeah, I think I probably did. This 2, okay, is that 2 right there. Yeah. This 2, I think I might. This 2 is this 2 right here. Alright. This 2 goes to this 2 here. I may have had that backwards. Sorry about that. This 2 is going here. Alright. And then this 2 is going right here. Got that? Okay, so we're comparing once again. So this is 2 pounds. So if this was like 5 pounds, we'd be putting a 5 here. Alright, so we have a 1 over 2, that's this 2 here, and then of course right here this is going to be 3 over however many pounds that we got going on here. So then we just solve for x once again. Okay, and we're going to flip that around. Sorry about that, I think I might have told you wrong that first time around there. Sometimes I get confused. So x is equal to 6, right? And this is going to be Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops. Have you ever had Fruit Loops? Anyway, that's going to be Fruit Loops there. See? So we have a 2, right? 2 pounds of Cheerios. Wait a minute. I got that. Oh my God. I think I'm asleep over here at the wheel. Sorry. We got 2 pounds of Cheerios, 4 pounds of Chex, and 6 pounds of Fruit, cross my T there, Fruit Loops. 2 pounds, 4 pounds, and 6 pounds. Now does this make sense? A 1 to 2 to 3 ratio. 1 to 2, then 1 to 3, you could say. And so let's see, 2 over 4 is a half. What's 4 over 6? Or 2 over 6 is a third. 2 over 6. So you see, if you reduce these things down, you got 2 over 4. That ends up being a half, or you could reduce that to a 1 to 2 ratio. And then 2 over 6 is a 1 to 3 ratio. You see that? Turn these into fractions here. 2 over 6. You got that? See that? Yeah. Over 2. Anyway, another way of looking at that. Alright, so there you go. Of course, you don't have to be doing mixtures of cereal here. We could be talking about just about anything you can think of. Right? Just about any possible scenario you can possibly even think of there. Alright, check it out. Mix up your bunny some cereal, man. He is going to love you forever. But don't feed your bunny cereal all the time. That is very bad for the bunny. I'm telling you, just a very great once in a while. And I'll be honest with you, don't feed your bunny Fruit Loops. You know, the best thing to feed your bunny, if you want to do anything, is feed them oatmeal. They love raw. Don't cook your oatmeal. They love raw oatmeal. You know, I had to just try to come up with some kind of mixture problem here using ratios, and I really don't feed my bunny this crap. Now, every once in a while I give him a little Chex. He loves Chex, but he gets this all the time. Raw oatmeal. Alright. Okay, well, that's enough for this section here, and I shall see you in the next section. I think we're doing inequalities or something like that. Alright, and I'll see you in the next section. Bye.